Hello developers, welcome back to our channel Coding Captain. This is the second part of our jQuery series. In this video, you can learn how you can add jQuery in our website or project. Okay, for that you should go to jQuery official website, that is jQuery.com. Look, this is the official website of jQuery. Here you will see the download jQuery option and just click on it. Okay, and it redirect to download page. Okay, in this page it explains there are several methods to include jQuery on our website. Out of those methods, two methods are most popular. One is download jQuery file and another one is CDN. Do you know what is CDN? CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. CDN is just like a one link which is provided by any server, and in that server jQuery file is uploaded, or in other word you can say any server who hosted the jQuery file, and that hosted link provide to us. Okay, so when you add that link to our web page or website, then it works. Okay, and there are other options to include jQuery. If you know about Node.js, then using npm, using eon, in this method also you can add jQuery. Okay, but in this video we will see both download and CDN method. Okay, first comes to download method. Here there are two versions. One is compress, yeah, you can say production, and another one is uncompress, yeah, development version. Okay, both version can be downloaded and it works, but what is the difference between that I am telling you. Okay, first open compressed version, then open uncompressed version. Look, here all are written in JavaScript. Also in that file you should understand what are the written in JavaScript, and also if you want you can change if you know JavaScript. Okay, but when you comes to compress file you could not understand what written here. Okay, but this compress file is used to add jQuery in our website because it takes less storage. Okay, now you can see how this file save it. Simply press Ctrl X and save that file. Then we discuss the another method is CDN. You know before, CDN is a link which is stored in any server. Here you can see some server which provided CDN like Google CDN, Microsoft CDN, CDN GS, and GS delivered CDN. Okay, now open all this CDN. Then which CDN do you like most? You can choose that CDN. I am using Google CDN. Okay, now we can discuss how to integrate this method in our website or project. Okay, as you know before we will learn from the scratch. Okay, so first we have to create one project folder, and that folder name could be jQuery tutorial. Okay, then it open with VS Code. Okay, now we have to create a new file named as index.html, and in that file write the basic HTML code. Okay, here we can see how to integrate jQuery file to our website or project. Okay, so for that we must have jQuery file in our project folder. So copy the jQuery file and paste it in our project folder. Okay, now we can see where we have to integrate the jQuery file. Okay, first open HTML code, then under head tag we have to use scripting tag. Okay, then use src attribute, and here we have to provide the path of jQuery file. Okay, now integration done, but we have to test whether our integration is correct or not. Okay, so for that open it with live server and open console, or you can press Ctrl Shift I. Okay, As you know, error is only shown in console. Look, there is only one error, that is favicon, no other error. This error because we are not added favicon in our HTML code, okay, but it is not the error of jQuery, okay. If you are doing any mistake in jQuery file, like change its file name, then save it, okay. Let's see what the error showing us, okay. Go to console, look, this error, and it means jQuery file is not integrated, okay. If you are correct that mistake, look, in console there is no error, okay. Let's test in another method. I am writing some syntax of jQuery whether it's showing an error or not, okay. So under body tag we have to use script tag, then write dollar, then within the bracket we have to write document, then dot ready, then within bracket we have to mention anonymous function, then write alert function for testing, okay. Let's see whether it's working or not. Look, it's working properly, okay. Now we have to discuss the another method, cdn, how we can add that cdn link, okay. First copy the cdn link according to your version, then paste here under the head tag, okay. Then see whether it's working that code or not. Look, it's working fine. So both methods are same, but I recommended you to use cdn because it fast to reload and less it. As you know, less it means you save money if your project deploy on server like AWS. So in my opinion, you have to use cdn, okay. I hope you should understand how to integrate jQuery file in our project. In the next video we discuss about syntax. Thanks for watching this video.